Good afternoon, everyone. I have wanted to just take a quick video of my 1990 Corrado G60 after the engine was rebuilt. The bottom end specifically. Completely rebuilt the bottom end. Now have a 1.8 liter top end with a 2 liter AVA bottom end, and running really well. Idle just a little bit high, but running very, very well, and looks great, clean. You can see it's got a stage 4 upgrade on the supercharger. And my most recent project, which is nearly complete, is here. I put in a new speed 22mm sway bar, and also you can see new control arms. Everything is new. New ball joints, tie rod ends, everything. I haven't hooked the steering up yet. As you can see, they're hanging. But it's I'm missing. I've got to replace a couple of bolts on the steering rack. And I've got new rotors and pads to go on, and it'll be all back together. Hope you enjoyed watching.